We're gonna simplify several of these ratios, and when you're simplifying, you can cancel when there's multiplication. In the numerator here, I have 42 multiplied by v plus 4 multiplied by 3v minus 8. And in the denominator, 7 times v plus 4 times 3v minus 8. So any of the things that are the same, that are being multiplied together, we can cancel those. So for example, I can cancel this 42 and this 7. 7 fits into 7 one time, and then 7 fits into 42 6 times. I can also cancel, I can also cancel this v plus 4 with this v plus 4 because they're exactly the same. And then the 3v minus 8s, I can cancel those. So the only thing I have left in this one is the 6 and the 1, and then 6 over 1 is just equal to 6. Okay, so let's just look at a couple more. This one here, the 7 and 2, nothing fits into 7 and 2, so we are not going to do anything there. And then the 2x plus 5 can cancel with this 2x plus 5. These are not the same, so we've canceled everything that we can, and we're ready to bring over what's left over. So let me bring over the 7 and the x minus 8. And then in the denominator, we still had a 2 and an x plus 5. Then deciding whether or not you should multiply what's left over back together is really a teacher or book preference. I would say typically in Algebra 2, you multiply them back together. But the higher you get, you usually at least leave the denominator in factored form and maybe multiply the top together. But I'm gonna go ahead and multiply this back together, what's left over. So 7 times x is 7x, and 7 times negative 8 is negative 56. 2 multiplied by x is 2x, and 2 multiplied by 5 is 10, and I'm gonna have that as my final answer. Okay, then this next one, the 8 and 24, there is an 8 in common to those. So I'm going to cancel this 8. 8 fits into 8 once, and 8 fits into 24 3 times. We have a w minus 6, and it can cancel this w minus 6. We also have a 3w plus 4 that cancels. So most everything cancels, and what I have left is this 1 and this 3. So this ends up being our final answer there. Last example, 30 and 5. 5 fits into both 30 and 5, so let's cross off the 30. 5 fits into 30 6 times. Oops, let's rewrite that. Okay, so that fits in 6 times. And then 5 fits into 5 once. And then the u plus 5s cancel. So what I have left in the top is, lots of mistakes on this one here. Let's see. What I have left is just the 6. And then in the denominator, all I have left is the 2u plus 3, because if I multiply that by 1, it stays the same. Okay, there we have it.